Polar opposites this Monday across South Africa, with temperatures soaring close to 40 degrees during heatwave conditions in the northeast. But in the west, snow has fallen over the mountains, and we're expecting more snow into Tuesday to spread over the high-lying regions and mountain peaks of the Eastern Cape and Lesotho. So here's your crazy Tuesday forecast. Into Tuesday, the cut-off low weather system responsible for the steep drop in temperature, lots of rain and snow in the southwest, is now starting to invade the Eastern Cape and KwaZulu-Natal, where it's going to be significantly colder on Tuesday. It's also slowly starting to push away that high pressure system that's responsible for the heatwave conditions in the northeast. So scattered to widespread showers and thunderstorms on and off expected on Tuesday here along the southern coastline in the Eastern Cape, and also lots of rain and thunderstorms expected to fall in KwaZulu-Natal. Later thunderstorms spreading along the eastern escarpment over the Highveld of Mpumalanga. A few isolated morning showers left over here in the west, and then after another hot day, a few heat-induced storms likely to bubble up over northeastern South Africa. And as mentioned, we are expecting a light dusting of snow to fall over the mountain peaks of the Eastern Cape, where the South African Weather Service has issued a yellow level 2 warning, where the icy conditions could be result in dangerous driving conditions, especially over the mountain passes. We also still have a yellow level 4 warning in place for heavy rainfall leading to localised flooding in the Eastern Cape and the western regions of KwaZulu-Natal. Strong winds expected along the coast, and a level 2 warning for severe thunderstorms possible over the Highveld of Mpumalanga, which could result in hail or even a quick heavy downpour. Where it's cloudy, you'll have a poor PV harvest on your solar panels in large parts of the Cape provinces as well as KwaZulu-Natal. But it's windy and sunny over western South Africa, where the South African Weather Service is warning against runaway fires, and also a fresh breeze picking up over the Highveld and parts of the Free State. Also an icy cold fresh breeze for the coast of the Western Cape, blowing strong along the coast of the Northern Cape and our neighbouring country. And this onshore flow will blow strong at times and bring in lots of rain and icy weather for the Eastern Cape and KwaZulu-Natal. Here in the Western Cape, some cloud at first, and also the wind picking up along the coast. Now a high of 20 in Cape Town, slightly warmer compared to Monday, but still quite cool at times with only 18 in Robertson and Laingsburg. We've got that icy onshore flow that's bringing in some showers at first for the southern coastline. It is going to be a chilly day with only 16 in Plettenberg Bay, but then cold conditions expected in the Eastern Cape. It's actually going to feel more like the middle of winter, with lots of cloud, widespread showers and thunderstorms, snow falling over the mountains, and strong icy cold winds along the coast. Maximum temperatures battling to reach 10 degrees in some of the small towns like Hua and Matatiele. That onshore flow also bringing in much colder conditions and scattered to widespread showers, as well as a few thunderstorms for KwaZulu-Natal. Icy cold 8 degrees in Kokstad. Later thunderstorms expected to develop over the northern regions and spreading over the Highveld, as well as of Mpumalanga and the eastern escarpment. 25 in Erbulo. Much cooler conditions also expected in Mpumalanga. The wind also picking up later in Limpopo, and a few heat-induced thunderstorms likely to bubble up here and there. But due to the wind picking up, those thunderstorms can also quickly blow away, as well as in northwest. After another hot day, we're expecting a few isolated heat-induced thunderstorms to move over this northern and eastern regions. That southeasterly wind bringing in much colder conditions for large parts of the Northern Cape. It's going to be windy at times, with only a high of 14 in Sutherland and 13 degrees in Colesberg. And icicle blast expected to invade the Free State, with only 17 in Forestmith and 20 for Bloemfontein, and also the wind picking up. A few degrees cooler in Gauteng, but still warming up the afternoon, with 31 in Pretoria and a 30% chance of a few heat-induced thunderstorms bubbling up. And then into Wednesday, more showers and thunderstorms expected here over KwaZulu-Natal. Much colder conditions spreading into Limpopo and Mpumalanga, and the probability of thunderstorms also high now over Gauteng and parts of the Free State. Temperatures are starting to recover in the west, but still windy into Thursday in the mother city, and then later thunderstorms extending all the way from northwest of the Free State, and yet again possible over the Highveld. Another quite cool day for Limpopo, Mpumalanga and KwaZulu-Natal. Well, that's all from me, and remember, no matter the weather, we're in this together.